Today is more of like let's chat class. It's another video from styling. If you don't know, I'm a personal stylist. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chetna Gambhir and today we are going to talk about 5 fashion misconceptions that people believe, and yeah, I just want to get that out and get that sorted. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First misconception: to look great you have to be a model figure, or up to plus size models bhi aa rahi hai, so maybe certain body type, on the slimmer side, whatever. I'm not. I'm a mid-sized woman, and no, it is the biggest misconception. And guys, for now, aaj ke liye to you have seen there are so many amazing, beautiful, mid-size, plus size, all kind of body types ka influencers coming out and talking about it and showing their styles. So if you still have that in mind that I am this body type, I don't look good in certain clothes, or this doesn't look good on me, dude, that's a misconception. Take that out from your box, throw it somewhere far away. And if you have an issue, if you think that ye mere pe acha nahi lagta but I really want to wear it, DM me right now and I'll help you and I'll tell you how can we style that particular outfit. And if you cannot, how can we play it and manipulate with that piece and still you can wear that outfit. So that's what I do. I am a fashion stylist and that's my job. So I'm going to tell you that for free. So comment below, ask me any question related to styling or fashion. So the second misconception is you can only look fashionable and stylish when stylish. You can look only fashionable and stylish when you are wearing luxury items, you are wearing expensive clothes. Fashion and style is not expensive. Style is who you are, how you style your garments. Fashion is what you buy. You don't have to buy it from expensive places and think only then I will look good. You can buy a Sarojini top of worth 150 rupees and look equally good in comparison to a woman who is wearing an H&M ka or maybe even luxury brand ka top. And yeah, that's what you don't have to spend. You don't have to waste your money or put yourself in the box thinking I cannot afford this, so I will never look fashionable, I will never look fashionista or stylish. So that's that. For that I'm going to make an entire video how to find your style and how to feel confident even in the inexpensive wardrobe clothes which are not from brands. For a little bit I'll just say, go on Pinterest, find clothes that you like, find the size that you like, make a Pinterest board, and with my next video you'll get more information about that. Third misconception is ready to wear garments are actually ready to wear. No, you really, if you want to look polished, if you want to look amazing in your clothes, you might have to make them as per your size. ज़रूरी नहीं है स्मॉल साइज जो होता है वो सारे जिनको भी स्मॉल आता है सबके लिए परफेक्ट होता है. People have different bodies. I might have different shoulders. I might have more broad shoulders as compared to other women who wear large or XL, right? So आपकी जो कपड़े होते हैं उनको आपको थोड़ा सा कस्टमाइज हमेशा कराना चाहिए. Like even if you are getting a top from a brand and you feel the shoulders are droopy or the waist is really loose, you have more slim waist as compared to the other size person, you should get it fixed to look extremely polished, extremely nice in that outfit. You feel she is wearing the same piece but she's looking so fabulous and I'm not. Why is that? Because probably वो particular garment उनकी body type पे उतना perfect fit आया जो वो आपकी body type पे नहीं आया. So structure it, structure your garments, go to your tailor and tell that person कि भैया इसको यहाँ से fit करिए and shoulders जो droopy है उसको यहाँ से tight करिए and make that garment as per your body. So no, ready to wear garments are not generally ready to wear. Little customization can actually make your garment look more polished. The fourth misconception that I often hear is कि when you wear clothes with popping colors, it looks cheap, it does not look good, too much colors are not great. I agree if you're wearing multiple colors in one outfit, but if you're wearing a hot pink color top to bottom, it actually looks amazing and really elegant. So if you want to play with colors, if you want to play with prints, you have to know little more about it but believe me, prints and colors look equally expensive and classy as a basic solid warm nude colors look. So you might have seen more people are going towards warm tones, beige tones, and say I don't like colors. That's because they are not confident about, they don't know what color goes with what print goes with what, and that is the reason they feel that nude colors are the only colors that can make them look expensive. So yeah, play with your colors, play with the colors in your wardrobe, play with the prints in your wardrobe, and I can assure you they look equally classy and expensive. If you want a video, I will make a video about all the colors, what colors goes with what, how to wear colors, how to wear different prints together. So yeah, that's that. Fourth misconception is shoes aren't classy. Shoes are more of like tomboyish. Shoes cannot go with formals. Shoes cannot go with more of like party wear outfits. For me, that's a very big point because I love shoes. So you have to know the right shoe for every occasion. If you are a person who loves shoes and who want to wear shoes with every single garment in every occasion, just like me. So if you are going to office, you can wear Oxford shoes. If you think you need a little height, you can wear Oxford shoes with heels. So I'll insert a picture over here so you can get the reference. So these are the shoes which are perfect for office wear. You can wear them with your suits and blazers. You can wear them even with some people. If I talk about India, there are people who wear kurtis to office if it's allowed. Even Oxford shoes like these can look amazing with Indian looks, Indian outfits, Indo-Western outfits. So yeah, you can wear that. So the other occasion that I'm going to talk about is parties and weddings. So India may on parties and weddings you tend to wear lehengas and beautiful Indo-Western outfits, golden outfits. So for that you can wear Oxford heel shoes, but get them customized with the fabric that you are wearing, and believe me, it is going to look so amazing. And you don't have to wear pumps, you don't have to wear other heels. If you want, like, they look amazing, no doubt, but I'm talking about, yes, shoes can also look really good with your Indian lehengas and outfits. So in case you are thinking कि हम कहाँ से customize कराएं, Shop Gomat, that's my brand. I get them customized also. We are starting up and we are going to launch so many things soon. So you can contact me there, and yeah, that's that. Otherwise you can find good brands who customize shoes and they can customize these for you as well. So yeah, these are the 5 misconceptions that I think people should just chuck them out from their life right now. You can DM me, as I told you, about style and fashion. If there is any confusion, you want to wear something and you can't, just DM me and I'll solve that problem for you. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing fashion and style and makeup videos. Thank you. Bye.